British citizenship is a highly sought-after status, conferring a range of benefits and privileges. It represents a significant milestone, marking a deep connection to the United Kingdom and its values. For many, it's the culmination of years of hard work and dedication, a symbol of belonging and integration into British society. Holding a British passport grants the freedom to live, work and study anywhere in the UK without restrictions. It provides access to the National Health Service, ensuring comprehensive healthcare coverage. Citizens can also participate fully in the democratic process, voting in elections and even running for public office. Beyond the UK's borders, British citizenship opens doors to visa-free travel to numerous countries around the world. This ease of international mobility is invaluable for both personal and professional pursuits. Furthermore, British citizenship offers a sense of permanence and belonging. It provides a secure foundation for building a life in the UK, raising a family and contributing to society. There are several pathways to acquiring British citizenship, each with its own set of requirements. The most common route is naturalization, for those who have lived in the UK and meet eligibility criteria. Other pathways include registration, for individuals with British nationality connections. Understanding these pathways is crucial for determining the most appropriate route. Seeking professional guidance can help navigate the complexities. Eligibility for British citizenship through naturalisation hinges on several key criteria, including residency, good character, and language proficiency. Applicants must demonstrate a continuous period of lawful residence in the UK, typically 5 years, with limited absences allowed. They must also provide evidence of good character, demonstrating their commitment to upholding British values. The residency requirement ensures that applicants have a strong connection to the UK and have established their lives within the community. Good character is a fundamental aspect of the eligibility criteria. Applicants must demonstrate a history of law-abiding behaviour and adherence to British values. This includes avoiding criminal convictions, paying taxes, and contributing positively to society. Language proficiency is another crucial element, requiring applicants to demonstrate a sufficient command of English, Welsh, or Scottish Gaelic. This ensures effective communication and integration into British society. Applicants must pass an approved language test to meet this requirement. The application process for British citizenship involves several key steps, beginning with completing the online application form and gathering the necessary documentation. Applicants must provide evidence of their identity, residency, good character, and language proficiency. Gathering the required documentation is a crucial step in the application process. This includes providing original or certified copies of passports, birth certificates, marriage certificates, and other relevant documents. Once the application form is completed and the supporting documents are gathered, applicants must submit their application online and pay the associated fees. After submitting the application, applicants will be invited to attend a citizenship ceremony, where they will formally pledge allegiance to the Crown and receive their certificate of British citizenship. This ceremony marks the culmination of the application process and the official conferral of British citizenship. The fees can vary depending on the application type and individual circumstances. In 2024, several updates have been implemented to streamline the British citizenship application process. These updates aim to improve efficiency, reduce processing times, and enhance the overall applicant experience. The government has invested in digital services to facilitate online applications and improve communication with applicants. One significant update is the increased use of digital platforms for submitting applications and supporting documents. This reduces the reliance on paper-based applications, making the process faster and more convenient for applicants. Processing times have also been improved in 2024, with the government aiming to process applications more quickly. The streamlined process reduces the overall time it takes to become a British citizen. Furthermore, the government has enhanced its communication channels with applicants, providing regular updates on the status of their applications. This increased transparency keeps applicants informed and reduces uncertainty throughout the process. Clear communication is essential for managing expectations and ensuring a smooth application experience. Preparing thoroughly for the British citizenship application process is essential for a smooth and successful outcome. Gathering all the required documents in advance, including passports, birth certificates, and proof of residency, can significantly expedite the process. Organising these documents meticulously ensures that nothing is overlooked. Double-checking the application form for accuracy and completeness is crucial to avoid delays or rejections. Reviewing all information carefully and ensuring all sections are filled out correctly can minimise the risk of errors. Seeking professional advice from immigration lawyers or advisors can be invaluable, particularly for complex cases or individuals with unique circumstances. Experts can provide tailored guidance and support throughout the process, ensuring that applicants meet all requirements and navigate any challenges effectively. Staying informed about the latest updates and changes to the application process is also essential. Checking the government website regularly for any new regulations or guidelines can help applicants avoid any surprises or setbacks. Staying up to date is crucial for a smooth application experience. Navigating the complexities of the British citizenship application process can be challenging. Seeking expert guidance can prove invaluable. Immigration lawyers possess in-depth knowledge of immigration law, providing tailored advice and support. Their expertise enhances the chances of a successful application. Experts assist with eligibility and documentation, preparing for the citizenship test and interview. They help navigate challenges and complications. Investing in expert guidance saves time, money, and stress. Obtaining British citizenship marks a significant milestone, opening doors to opportunities and experiences. It signifies a deep connection to the UK, granting the right to live, work, and study without restrictions. It also provides access to essential services like healthcare and education. British citizenship allows full participation in the democratic process. Holding a British passport grants visa-free travel to numerous countries. Embracing British citizenship means becoming part of a diverse and vibrant society. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more exclusive videos.